After you are logged in the system, you will see some dashboards here. For you, the most important part is here, companies. And you will see that you have this demo company created for you working with QuickBooks, and you need to click here. The next thing which you need to do is the following. Go in the connection tabs, and you can see here that we have the connection already established with our demo company from the sandbox. And first we can disconnect ourselves. From here you can see that we were disconnected successfully, and here it shows that we are not connected. Here we will connect again with QuickBooks, and here we will press connect. And now you can see that we are connected to this company, and we can publish data and so on. So in order to do this, our application is making OCR of invoices, extracting data, and then publish it to QuickBooks. So in order to make OCR, you need to go here and upload some invoice or some receipts as well here, and wait just they to be processed here. And when they are processed, you will see them here as now. When we open this one, what we need to do is here we will get and we will have all these accounts which we need to fill first, because if they are not filled, you will not be able to make any publishing as it is here. For example, you can see that this field is required to be filled, and here, for example, we can choose one, apply to all if we want they to be the same, and press save. After this is saved now, we can go and press this publish button. Just wait for some seconds, and now you saw that this was published to QuickBooks. If we open our QuickBooks account, we will see that this expense here was published as expense. If we choose to be income, this one, it will be published in our QuickBooks account as income invoice. Here will be expense, and here on the vendor you can see which was the supplier of the invoice, the address, and also the recipient name and address as well. And here you can see the data which was published, and here you can choose if it is receipt or bill here. So depending on the type, you will see that it is in the different place in QuickBooks Online.